individual cookie cakes. Okay.
What does that mean?
What does it say, Christina?
Big sister? What does that mean? What does that mean?
What do you think it means? What does it mean, Christina?
What?
What does it mean if you're going to be a big sister?
Wait a second.
It's true.
Yeah,
Yeah, I am. Yeah. Yes, it's the truth. It's the truth. It's the truth.
I thought I said Abigail. I was like, what?
Do you want to see a picture of the baby? Okay. Go sit down so I can show it to you. Go sit down. Harley, come here.
Is it a boy or a girl?
We don't know.
Okay. Oh, it's a boy!
Harley, come here. Here. Turn it the other way. It's supposed to be. There you go.